we changed it to make it more. It can travel easier now. So the idea is that it's sort of different search categories, different geographical areas, try to get a picture of what's popular and what are people talking about. The last week within hybrid and alternative weak vehicles, what are the most popular?
Communicating around ICT in ways which are not typically the way we think about it. It's just a screen, or as was in the Nokia presentation, everyone doing like this. Now we are looking down. This started out as a coffee table, and Per, Jonas and the team at 6 have been experimenting with coffee cups, cell phones, various ways to do it, and directing what you are looking at with more, traditional McKinsey type foresight.
Yeah.
The background behind this is that we started as a research project. What we've done is we've looked at Google search engine statistics. So what search terms do people use on the Google search engine? And we've made a simplified interface for that. So what you can do is you can set 3 parameters at the moment. A time frame, some kind of category, and a geographical area. And then we show what are the search terms that are rising the most within even these parameters. So within the last week, in all categories in the US, these are the search terms that are most used, increased during this past week. And the way we interact with these is we have NFC tags here connected to each one of these parameters. So if I put my phone up on one of these, I can choose here what I want. If I pick something and change one of these parameters, then I automatically trigger a new search engine. So we go out to Google and ask them for this statistics. So here we see during the past week within mobile and wireless in the US, Samsung Chromebook is what has been increasing as a search term. And if we pick that, put my phone on this now, then I could interact with that part. Then I show in absolute terms what are the biggest search terms. But that's usually more static, changes less, so a bit less interesting. And I get also the time graph here, so we have the past week, so we see how this trend has changed.
What about your kinds of visualization of, you're also interested in networks and how
been doing, I don't know if it's it, but the data would be used in social media.
Yeah, sure.
So that's our second step. So then now that we've sort of picked one of these search terms, we go out to Twitter and we download a chunk of Twitter and we see which entries contain this specific search term and the link. And then we gather all those links and we make a top list. And then we flip through those web pages over there. So it's sort of who is talking about this term and what web pages are they pointing to. So that's more the real-time component. That's Twitter. Right now we're downloading these and analyzing them, whereas the Google statistics is sort of the slower statistical data.
So this is all done in real time and it's happening, and that's what Per is talking about, is how we can discuss things around this table, not necessarily thinking that this is the absolute truth, but just to have something to discuss, which I think is ideal for a co-location center where people have opinions on the latest.